Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and yeah, so while Java video uploading, might as well make another one. And then obviously I'll upload this one, and yeah, so this have this is better space. I can just like walk there, come over here. It's much more space in the sitting room. Looks like a sitting room, but has more space. The light is pushed back. It's a sitting room, but it's pushed back. And yeah, so the tails, let me tell you straight, put the puzzle of a vehicle in it. So when cow yard, cow, because car battery goes off, thingy ox, it is ox, Pinky Monkey to do it. And that was a hundred guess Vox Corsa days, and yeah, I think hundred guess days of Vox Corsa. I don't know if Pinky Monkey to change a battery on cow's car when he had Vox Corsa. But Cal told me his mechanic, um, it was his new mechanic, not brother, yeah, not Dascom. He said his new mechanic changed the battery for him, and yeah, for the second time the cause battery changed. No, I don't know. I think Free Monkey only changed the battery now he gets. Yeah, shit all the time. Never. So yeah. Yeah, so come close in it. So yeah, so yeah. My Barry, I think my Barry, I think my club Barry is fine. Actually, I'm talking about the future, and it's only cows that club Barry only goes like bunkers. Mine was fine. Here it says the BMW one well, just lost for a long time. And same with the Astra. Even though the Vauxhall, even though is not the sportiest car, but it looks very sporty. Sporty at the exterior. It's still like a cheap Vauxhall car, but the battery is fine and doesn't need battery changing. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, obviously the doors were there. I just close the door and just do my speech, but that'd be awkward because I'm in the room and yeah, because the room is seeable and like there's a lot of building in the middle of a site. I'm saying like middle of nowhere. But yeah, that's about it, yeah. So obviously we know Cal trusts obviously we know that obviously I know Cal trusts his new mechanic more than brother, yeah. I think me and Cal want to forward this boy brother, yeah, like this, but more higher. That's a fact. Right there. Yeah. Obviously, imagine we get access to me and Cal get access to Brother's house for because after one of our cars for the ball at him like this when he's sleeping. Okay, that one night restructuring. You may have seen it, but the look at my face, you may have known. But yeah. So, anyways, yeah. So, most of you all know the mechanic winner is Tomo Kazu mechanic, and the another winner is obviously the mechanic that I know, which is one of my friends, which is Troy friend.